In Salesforce Classic, to generate a WDSL file, which is a web description language file which describes the objects in Salesforce, we can actually just go up to your name and click Setup. And then in the Quick Find button, we can type API. And then under Develop, click API. And then it'll take us on the right-hand side of the screen to generate an enterprise WDSL. So I'm going to click that. It shows the current packages and their current releases. I want to generate the ones that are most current for my installation. And then Salesforce does its thing. Enters a bunch of things that are kind of scary, but don't stress about it. And then it generates an XML file which describes all of the Salesforce objects that are in my installation of Salesforce. And what I want to do is to actually save this. And to do that, I can just Control S, and it says, okay, where would you like to put it? And I can give it a name, and then just save it. And it'll be this file that we use to describe to Data Bridger what the objects are that we need to access in Salesforce.